Hello, my name is Zhong and I'm an engineer on DJI's agriculture team. Agriculture is probably the last profession a traditional Chinese family hopes their child to go into, much less a girl. It's seen as a labor-intensive job, and I too never thought about it at all when I was a kid. I loved nature as a kid and always wanted to be a conservationist. It wasn't until I graduated with a master's in ecosystem science that I decided to pursue a career in agriculture. Why? Because conserving our ecosystem is impossible without sustainable farming. Large-scale farming contributes to 1/4 of global greenhouse gas emissions, but it is essential to feed our growing population and provide gainful employment for so many people all around the world. Technology is the key to solving this challenge, which is why I joined DJI. At work, I focus on developing drone solutions for crop monitoring and protection, and using AI to improve farm management practices. By making these solutions affordable, we allow even farming smallholders to practice precision agriculture, reducing their climate footprint and increasing their income at the same time. Technology is also an enabler of gender equality in agriculture. Farm robots liberate humans from labor-intensive and dangerous work in the field, so that more and more women and men are able to join this industry as drone pilots, engineers, or farmers armed with high-tech. On top of that, we now live in a world that cares more about diversity and inclusiveness. So use this moment to bring in your perspectives and create an impact. Don't let other people's doubts stop you. Gender shouldn't limit your potential. Support women in tech, let her story shine.